We've just taken this lovely Volvo S60 diesel. It's the R design in stock, top of the range. Some beautiful gleaming black, lovely unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels all around the car. Full R design body styling kit, rear park distance control, low rear diffuser, twin exhausts. Absolutely lovely black. Fantastic condition throughout. Boot area is in lovely condition. The lovely R design seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, R design embossed sport seats. Have multifunction steering wheel, stood 100,925 miles. Cruise control, onboard computer. Just start the car up. It's got e-drive, aircon, heated seats. It's got Bluetooth. DJH offer full dealer facilities including warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.